Hey guys, this is Christian from Sanchez Lawn Services, and today I've been showing you how to change your oil on your lawnmower. Every lawnmower is different, but mine doesn't come with a bottom drain plug, so I'm just gonna have to take out the oil from the top. The oil drain plug or the oil where I'm gonna drain the oil will be right here. So I'll be using this Power Care 4-cycle engine oil, SA30. I just got it at Home Depot. I just got any oil, as long as it said SA30. So I'm gonna get an old bucket. Take out the oil. Get some gloves on first. Spill that. And it's recommended to change your oil every 50 hours, or if you're constantly mowing, once every season. Okay. Take this oil out. Closer look. So let it dump out. Show you guys from here. See it kind of dripping out a bit. Yeah. Shouldn't wait a bit. Okay. Okay. Should be fine. Okay. Here's the oil. Okay guys, so all the old oil is not drained out now, so I'm gonna put in the fresh oil. And the recommended amount for the Briggs & Stratton lawnmower is 15 to 18 ounces of oil, or that's the oil capacity. And to help you guys out, this whole bottle, it says here, I don't know if you can see that, it says, come on, focus. It says, the right side, it says all the ounces. So this bottle has 20 ounces, you can see liquid there. So all I need is really 15 to 18. So I'm probably gonna have 2 ounces of oil left over. Okay. Okay, guys, see that? Usually I'll use a cone, but I don't have one right now, so I'm just gonna freehand it. Remember to just pour it slowly. More. Sometimes what I like to do, just use my dipstick as a guide. So the oil should be in between the 2 holes right here. This one and this one. Put it in. And you can't really see as much because the oil is pretty fresh in there, so it's gonna be all over the place. So usually I like to check it once I turn it on and it settles. piston to turn on and see how it goes. Okay guys, so that is how you change your oil. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys in the next video.